In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create light and dark modes with color variables and mode inheritance in Figma. If you're looking to add dynamic and versatile themes to your design projects, you're in the right place. Now let's dive into the process and make this happen in a few easy steps. First things first, open your browser and navigate to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that we all know and love. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll want to click on the login button located usually at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Figma dashboard. After you've logged in, head over to the Home tab. This is where you can see your recent files and shared projects. From here, locate and click on the file or project you wish to work on. This will open up your design space where you can start making those creative tweaks. Now it's time to switch into design mode. Within your open project, click on the design tab. This is where the real fun begins. You'll see all your design elements, layers, and the tools you need to modify them. Next, focus your attention on the left-hand toolbar. Here, click on variables. This is where you'll manage all your design variables, including colors, sizes, and more. Variables are powerful because they allow for changes in one place to seamlessly affect your entire project. Alright, with the variables panel open, let's create some new variables to set the stage for your light and dark modes. Simply click on Create Variable. This is your opportunity to name your variable and set it up for what it will control, in this case colors. Once your variable is created, make sure to indicate that it's a color variable by selecting the color option. This category is vital for controlling the visual tone of your design elements, enabling you to change appearances universally without having to edit each component individually. With your color variable in place, you're ready to assign colors for both light and dark modes. Use color inheritance to establish a base color that will adapt depending on the mode you switch into. Think of this as setting up a parent-child relationship where your light mode and dark mode share core characteristics but can adopt unique attributes. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to create and switch between light and dark modes in your Figma projects easily. This workflow not only enhances your design's versatility, but also saves you an incredible amount of time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.